What's up, guys? This is Justin with XLR8 Roofing. We're back out here in Winter Springs, up on a roof for our inspector meeting. As you can see, we've got two adjusters working together to go ahead and knock out this inspection. So far it's going good. Looks like they're agreeing with some of the hail impacts that we found up here. I'll go ahead and show you what they're finding. So this is just the one side on this storm. Again, we felt that the storm was coming out of this direction, so that's where we started. Some really good impacts up here on this roof. So we're going to go ahead and finish up going through, but one of the best ones that they noticed was this one right here. And as you can tell, nice impact here, but then there's extra hit on this additional shingle, and these are completely different. So you have to know that these are coming from an impact. A blister is not going to come over and cause on a completely different material the same damage. So that being that it's a nice circle, some good deep impacts, and it's soft to the touch, that's a great indication that there was some good hail that fell on this roof. All right, guys, we're still up here on the roof out here in Winter Springs. As you can see, this is now the front side of the house. Quite a bit of marks up here. So the adjusters are all set. They're gonna go ahead and wrap up, head home. We're gonna call this one a day and then see what happens when insurance makes the decision. But so far, it's looking pretty good, and we'll go from there. Again, this is Justin with XLR8 Roofing. Have a great day.